Azan Maghrib, the call to prayer at sunset has been sounded. For our Muslim friends, the holy month of Ramadan has ended, Shawwal has begun. Let's rewind. Hey, come here, local tourist guide. If you're here at Kuala Lumpur during Raya time and you're wondering what's going on, let me show you. So the question on everyone's mind right now is Raya tomorrow or the day after? We don't know. Our Muslim friends are breaking fast, possibly for the last time this year. In Malaysia, the date of Hari Raya Aidilfitri is determined by Ruqyah, the sighting of the new moon on the 29th day of the holy month of Ramadan. That's being done right now. If the new moon is sighted, Hari Raya, the day of celebration, will be tomorrow. If not, then the day after. We're all waiting for the announcement at 8 p.m. when the keeper of the rules is sealed. My friends told me as kids, they would use to guess the color of his outfit. People are indeed guessing the color of his outfit. I guess the wrong color. Raya has been announced to be the day after tomorrow, so I'll be back tomorrow night. Kuala Lumpur on the eve of Hari Raya. It's noticeably quieter as a lot of people have already balik kampung, meaning they've returned to their hometowns. So while highways leading out from the city may be congested, it's actually very quiet here. I'm looking around for a Raya delicacy. I'm not kidding, I smelled it before I saw it. I'm at the lemang stall run by Tok Janggut in Kerinchi. Lemang is glutinous rice cooked in bamboo with coconut milk. The taste is smoky and rich. It's a must-have during Raya, often eaten with rendang, which is tender meat slow cooked in spices. This is Kampung Baru, a traditional Malay village in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. The Azan has sounded, our Muslim friends are breaking fast for the last time this year. Malam Raya is next. I have to be honest, I've never seen Kampung Baru so quiet before. Ketupat is another staple during Hari Raya, and we can see them up here on the decorations. Fireworks, a very Malaysian thing. This could go on for hours. Kampung Baru on Malam Raya. Quiet and peaceful interspersed with fireworks. Families are also making final preparations for Hari Raya. Aside from the fireworks, there's also the sound of takbir, a proclamation that God is the greatest, there is no God but Him, and all praise belongs to Him. The takbir is recited publicly and at homes through the night. Let's check out the night shopping scene in Chow Kit. Chow Kit is buzzing tonight. The usual market plus fireworks. I found real ketupat. Time for a dessert. Let's head to Saloma Bridge, decked in Raya green tonight. Actually, so are the Twin Towers and my shop. This has been fun, going out, waiting for the Raya announcement, witnessing the start of Malam Raya and seeing the fireworks, hearing the takbir. It's been a great experience. Tomorrow is Hari Raya, an occasion that Malaysians of all races love. We all have a lifetime of memories of the dishes, the cookies, the songs, the open houses. Selamat Hari Raya. Maaf Zahir dan Batin. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.